This is the YogaAccessories Extra Thick Yoga Mat. And the big promise here is simple: more comfort, less pain. Sounds great, right? Especially if your wrists, knees, or lower back start complaining halfway through a workout. But here's the thing. After actually using this mat for yoga, stretching, home workouts, and even a bit of meditation, I realized there's something people don't really talk about in the ads. So, is this extra thickness actually a game changer, or does it come with trade-offs? Let's talk about it. YogaAccessories Extra Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the YogaAccessories Extra Thick Yoga Mat, a long-running favorite from YogaAccessories, a brand that's been making yoga and fitness gear for years. This mat is designed primarily for people who want maximum cushioning. Think beginners, people with joint sensitivity, or anyone doing workouts on hard floors. The standout feature is the thickness. At around 1/4 inch, it's noticeably thicker than standard yoga mats. It's made from high-density foam, and it comes in multiple colors and lengths. Price-wise, it usually lands in the budget to mid-range category, which already makes it interesting if comfort is your top priority. YogaAccessories Extra Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Honestly, this mat feels soft in the best way possible. The first time I dropped into a kneeling pose, I immediately noticed the difference. My knees weren't screaming and my wrists felt supported during planks and downward dog. I use this mat for everything from slow yoga flows and stretching sessions to bodyweight workouts like squats, sit-ups, and core exercises. On hardwood floors, it's a night and day upgrade compared to thinner mats. That extra cushioning absorbs pressure and makes longer sessions way more comfortable. But it's not all perfect. Because the mat is so thick, balance poses can feel a little unstable at first. If you're doing advanced yoga that relies heavily on grounding and foot stability, there's a small adjustment period. Still, for casual users and comfort-focused workouts, this mat delivers exactly what it promises: less joint stress and more confidence staying on the mat longer. Features and tech. First, the extra thickness. This is the headline feature, and it's a big deal if you've ever felt discomfort during floor poses. That 1/4 inch of foam acts like a shock absorber, making yoga and workouts more accessible, especially for beginners or people recovering from minor joint issues. Second, the high-density foam material. This isn't memory foam soft, but it's firm enough to prevent bottoming out. You get cushioning without feeling like you're sinking into a mattress, which is crucial for stability. Third, size options. YogaAccessories offers longer versions of this mat, which is huge if you're taller and tired of your feet hanging off the edge during Savasana. Finally, grip. The surface has a slightly textured finish that provides decent traction. It's not ultra-sticky like premium rubber mats, but for most yoga styles and workouts, it gets the job done, especially if you're not drenched in sweat. Design and build. Design-wise, this mat is pretty straightforward, and that's not a bad thing. It's made from closed-cell foam, which feels soft but resilient under pressure. It doesn't scream luxury, but it does feel practical and well-made. One thing to note, because it's extra thick, it's also bulkier. When rolled up, it takes more space than a standard yoga mat and isn't the most travel-friendly. Aesthetically, though, the color options are fun and vibrant, and the mat lays flat quickly without curling at the edges. It's clearly designed for home use or studio sessions, not minimalist gym bags. Pros: excellent cushioning for knees, wrists, and back. Great for beginners and joint-sensitive users. Available in longer sizes for taller users. Cons: slightly unstable for advanced balance poses. Grip could be better for sweaty sessions. Final verdict. So, who is this mat actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're someone who values comfort over everything else, this is a no-brainer. Beginners, people with sensitive joints, or anyone working out on hard floors will genuinely appreciate what this mat offers. It makes yoga and fitness feel more approachable and less punishing on your body. However, if you're an advanced yogi who prioritizes balance, precision, and portability, you might want something thinner and grippier. This mat is more about support than performance edge. At its price point, though, the value is hard to ignore. It does exactly what it claims, no gimmicks. Bottom line, if comfort keeps you consistent, this mat might be the reason you finally stick with your routine.